Hey car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Release TV, your go-to channel for the latest automotive updates. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Mazda CX-50. A compact SUV that's set to redefine style, performance, and innovation. Will it dominate its class? Let's break it down. Striking exterior design. The 2026 CX-50 is expected to elevate Mazda's iconic Kodo design language to new heights. Think bolder styling with a sportier grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more aggressive front fascia. The body lines will likely be sleeker, while muscular fender flares hint at its off-road capability, all while keeping that signature Mazda sophistication. Performance and powertrain upgrades. Under the hood, Mazda is rumoured to be stepping up its game. The 2026 CX-50 could offer two engine options: a peppy 2.5-litre naturally aspirated four-cylinder or a turbocharged variant for those craving extra power. Paired with Mazda's smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this SUV promises a thrilling, driver-focused experience, just what we expect from the brand. Why it's a game-changer. With its head-turning design, powerful engine choices, and cutting-edge tech, the 2026 CX-50 is shaping up to be a major leap forward for Mazda. If the rumours hold true, this compact SUV could outshine rivals in its segment, making it a top contender for buyers who want style, performance, and reliability. What do you think? Will the 2026 Mazda CX-50 be a hit? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more car updates, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.